Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Velar 3.0 D300 Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Varesine blue metallic paint. To start off with then, you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 21-inch 5-split-spoke satin dark grey finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Varesine blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look, you also have your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving through the rear seats now, you can find the ebony and cloud upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel, and you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this vehicle also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. As well as this, taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 18,202 miles, however this is subject to change. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle. You also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. You of course also have 4x4 information along with your terrain response drive mode, so all these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on. The front seats in this car are both heated, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Velar 3.0 D300 Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.